Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of how to add sounds to your game in Unreal. So there is gonna be three ways that you can go about this. And the first way is Play Sound 2D node. This node plays sound as it is. It's not replicated on the server, and it basically means it doesn't change whether you are far away from the sound or close to it. It's gonna sound exactly the same. This makes it perfect for a UI, which is what it's most commonly used for. Then we have play sound at location. You can think of this as taking the sound and putting it into the world at a specified location. The best example I can think of is a grenade in an FPS game. You throw it away from you, and depending on how far from the explosion you are, the different it's gonna sound. If you are closer to it, it's probably gonna be more loud than if you are far away, and you might be so far away that you won't even hear it to begin with. This node can also be replicated, which means it can be used in multiplayer games and multiple people can hear the same sound. And the third way is how to add sounds to our animations. And this is really simple. If you go and open any animation, you can locate the animation notify track inside it. You can also create as many notify tracks as you want. All you need to do is right click anywhere in the timeline on your notify track, select add notify, then play sound, and then you can just select the created sound notify, move it anywhere in the animation you want, and then in the details panel you can select the sound that you want to be played. You can change the volume, pitch, and all the other settings that you would expect from a sound asset. So I hope this helps explain a little bit of how to add sounds to your game in Unreal. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, all that, it helps out a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!